Alrighty, fellas and fellettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. Alright, I gave you a diagram on my rear mount turbo oil setup, and I didn't show you how the oil pump was wired up. It wasn't wired up yet at that time. I got it wired up. I didn't do it myself. I had a performance shop out here in Las Vegas do it for me. Alright, links, phone numbers, addresses are in the description if you're looking for a reliable performance shop. Alright, sounded like an advertisement, didn't it? Kinda is. They do a good job, guys. They do a really freaking good job. If you're out here in Las Vegas, Nevada, you need tunes, whatever you need. All right, performance-wise, even regular simple maintenance and stuff. Alrighty, guys, really simple. The oil pump is connected to a relay, and that relay is triggered by the fuel pump, right? So whenever the fuel pump is on, the oil pump is on, right? And that has been a really good deal. I'm telling you that right now. It has been a really good deal. I've held off on this video. Held off on it for a little bit. I wanted to make sure that it was a really good deal, and it is beyond a really good deal. All right, you can put it to run before start. It'll evacuate any of that oil that has accumulated in the scavenge tank. All right, and it'll shoot it out of there, so it's basically empty before you start it up. All right, and what that'll do is prevent oil from coming out into your exhaust and into your intake, all right, from being over flooded. Pretty awesome thing. And when I park the truck, I can turn the truck off, put it back to run without turning the truck on, all right, and that'll evacuate some oil there. So pretty awesome, right? Here's a little video on that. Sorry about wasting your time, all right, but that's what it is. And the main 12-volt source is coming from a fused location. You can go directly to your battery or find a location in your fuse box. Some vehicles will have an extra power source set up in your fuse box. I believe that's the way mine's going right there. All right, so relay triggered by the fuel pump. Power goes to the oil pump. All right, it's pretty badass. Here's a little demo.